starting to get bigger. Hello and welcome back to Life in Every Season. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's been sunny and warm, but still comfortable.
Dry.
Yeah, dry. We haven't had any rain. That's great.
Not sure if you can see me.
I'm going to show me places.
No, we're good. I'm a little low.
But we are going to check out this first row of potatoes today to kind of see what we've got going on. The leaves are starting to fall down. They're not completely
start taking
dried
it off.
back. Yeah, you
Not
go ahead
yet.
and do that. But they're starting to fall down, and we kind of need to see where these are at process-wise. So I'm going to help Bruce take these clips off, and we'll see what we get for a
Well,
harvest.
we decided because it's dry, we didn't want it to get all wet.
Yeah, I'm afraid we have a lot of rain here in eastern Tennessee in the summer, and I'm afraid if we let them go too long, they might rot before we can actually use them. So that's another reason why we're just kind of bugs, everything else. It's, you know, it's July and it gets hot and humid, and things tend to break down and rot and mildew pretty quick. So I will get started on this side. We got a small one.
This one. Oh,
They're starting to get bigger.
all right. We are just going to knock the biggest of the dirt off. We'll try to, I think, store most of these, and I'm sure the freeze dryer will have a batch. But we will turn this off for a second. We'll finish digging and show you how much we got out of this. Let's see, 25-foot row.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, as you can see, we dug up this first row. I don't know if you can see that, but
About half a 5-gallon bucket. That's about a 2-gallon bucket.
yeah,
So 3 gallons and I'd say 25 to 30 pounds.
yep,
So not bad for 15 minutes worth of work, and
Yep.
probably the hardest thing was cutting the rebar for the hoops. I think that's the most time consuming thing in this. So remember your green leaves, those are nightshades. Those can't be fed to your animals. I don't know of anything that can eat a nightshade,
I don't either.
and it's poisonous to them. We know everything's poisonous to horses. So,
Yeah.
but we'll compost these, and we're going to go put these on the garlic drying rack and let them get
Toughen their skin a little bit.
yep, and then we'll store them here in a few days.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming by and seeing us.
Yeah.
We'll, if we have a chance to weigh everything, once we get all of the potatoes harvested, we'll kind of give you an idea of what our harvest was. We were talking about that the other night, about do we really need to do that? And I was like, well, it'll help us year to year to know, did we get more yield out of this particular potato variety than this one? And we did do 2 types of potatoes. Let's see if I can find it. This one. Nope.
I think we planted all the same row.
maybe that one.
Yeah.
But there were some other ones that had a very different skin color.
Yeah.
And we may have started and then ended up in that road.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll come back with our total amount of poundage of potatoes. And hope you guys are having a great day. We've been very blessed here with beautiful weather today, and
It's a little hot.
it's a little warm, but it's
Humid.
not
It's
not
summer.
as bad as it was.
Yeah.
So, but you guys have a great rest of your evening, and thanks for coming by, and we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, we'll see you later. And if you have a chance, hit the like and subscribe. It just helps us know there's at least more than Kelly and I watching them.
We appreciate it.
Yes,
Just
very-
like we do that with anybody we follow, and we find their information helpful.
Yep.
We do that to support them as well.
Yep.
And we'd appreciate yours.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye.